Hey guys, today I will answer a widely asked question, that is how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. So, for clarification, I'm going to tell you that Roblox is not officially available on Nintendo Switch. But if you're open to unofficial methods, here are the most used workarounds along with the risks and limitation. The first one is using the hidden Switch browser via custom DNS. So navigate to System Setting, navigate to Internet, then choose Internet Settings and select your Wi-Fi network. Then choose Change Settings, navigate to DNS Setting, switch to Manual and set the primary DNS to 045.055.142.122. Save and reconnect. This triggers the SwitchBrew DNS portal. Tap useful links, go to roblox.com and sign in. This opens the Roblox website, but you cannot play the actual game from here. Another one is installing Android on a jailbroken Switch. So perform a soft mode or install a custom firmware, then dual boot into Android and use the Play Store to install Roblox like you would on a tablet. User experience varies. Some report games run well at default graphics, but others see the lag or missing feature. Now, risks and limitations. Roblox Corporation has no plans for a native Switch release. Also, jailbreaking and modding can break your device and disable online features. Also, browser's access only allows account login, avatar editing, and chat, not the gameplay. And even with the Android mods, some games lag, show visual glitches, or won't run. So, in conclusion, there's no official way to run Roblox on Switch. For a smooth experience, it's best to play Roblox on its officially supported platforms. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.